The first FE model is the Samsung S20 FE, then S21 FE and S23 FE. Samsung didn't release the S22 FE. In this video, let's see the unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung S23 FE. If you are following me, you already know I still have the Samsung S20 FE model that comes with Snapdragon. During the recent sales on Amazon, this mobile I got it for around 29,000 rupees. That too Snapdragon model. So I clicked the order button and purchased it to test how it is in 2024. I ordered graphite color. If you observe the box, it is fully black. After opening the box, another small box is there. In that, we get some paperwork, Type C to Type C cable and a SIM ejector pin. Most of the reviewers who got the review in it have limitations in talking about this mobile. So that's why they cannot freely showcase what is bad on this mobile. Maybe you think after reviewing that mobile, why don't they post another video about the problems? The real answer for this is they are not allowed or they are busy with other products testing. Anyways, I'm here to help you all these things. Unlike all other Samsung flagships mobile, this box looks sleek and slim. That means we don't get any charger in the box. This mobile in hand feels so sleek and a little heavier also. Due to the back glass design, it feels premium. Also, I'm a little tense to hold this without the back cover. Oh yeah, by the way, there is no back cover provided in the box. Overall, in hand, it feels premium and I liked it. Coming to the SIM support, this is supported for dual SIM, but there is no micro SD card option. This is a flat screen, and come to the protection wise, it is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on front and back. On the back, you can see 3 cameras and a single camera on the front. If you look at the mobile frame all over, a lot of antenna bands are there. Previously, I reviewed the Google Pixel 7a mobile. For that also, a lot of antenna bands are there all over the frame. Also, we don't get any 3.5 headphone jack support, which is common nowadays. I'm quickly setting up this mobile. If in case you want to see how to set up Samsung mobile ads free, check out the video link in the description box or else in the info cards. Alright. I completed this setup process. Coming to the app bloatware, there are some applications like Netflix and some other. If you want, you can uninstall it as well. This mobile currently running with One UI 6.1 with Android 14. Samsung promised that this mobile would get time to time updates. I checked the software update if any new is available. Yes, I got a new security patch. I'll install it later after this video. The camera interface looks similar unlike all other Samsung mobiles. Do you know the beautiful part of this mobile? If you want, you can record even 8K video at 24 FPS. I'm super excited to test this, how the video quality compared to 4K and a lot of things. If you don't want to miss other videos that are coming related to this mobile, hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon for notifications. This is a 120GB model. Out of that, we get around 107 GB. At the start of this video, I told you that I ordered the Snapdragon model. But after checking some specs, I noticed this is a Exynos version. I even checked once again in the listing on Amazon whether I ordered Exynos or Snapdragon. They mentioned the Snapdragon. Later, I contacted to the Amazon customer service. They raised an investigation already into this, why happened to me, and I'm waiting for the solution. It takes some days, they said, so let's see what kind of solution they provide for this problem. I keep on updating this in further videos as well, so you don't need to worry. Also, there are some tips you need to follow if you are ordering any mobile phone or gadget or even a small piece online. I'm planning to post a dedicated video about this issue, so you don't need to worry if in case you got any defective or wrong item. So it's very simple guys, I'll make a dedicated video on it so you can collect some proofs and everything easy for you to reach out to the customer service and get the solution as soon as possible. So that's the unboxing and first initial impressions of Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. If in case you are watching this video lately, I already posted some related videos about this mobile. Check the links in the description or else in the comment box.